Hi, my name is Francis Puno,
My name is Army.
and welcome to our home. Actually, winning the lucky draw, we're so happy when my wife heard her name, and we're also excited when you are going to plan to visit us. Initially, I was thinking for Scandinavian design because I prefer clean and simple design, but my wife prefers different one, which something like a, what do you call it?
Minimalist.
Yeah, basically what we wanted is a simple design and minimal design. We don't want much stuff inside our house. Initially, when we started searching or when we started doing the renovation, a friend told me that I should visit my Renopedia because my friend also used Renopedia before. So when I checked the site, it gave me a lot of tips actually, and also the design, how about what is this Scandinavian design, what is this kind of design.
And all the interior designer under Renopedia is case trusted and guaranteed that will satisfy all their clients' needs.
And also, I also checked the internet. There are some people they got scammed by non-legit contractors.
Yeah.
So to make sure, right, you have to go to somewhere where you can trust. So it's like Renopedia. We know that it's trustworthy site.
Yes.
Hi, thank you Renopedia for the prize that we got, and see you soon.
Thank you!
Renopedia, the most engaging online renovation media.